Monday, and it's time for us to talk technology. That means Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, is joining us right now on Power Talk. Luis, welcome back to the program.
Thank you, Mark. How are you today?
Doing pretty good. So we have an interesting topic here, and it has to do with the Windows operating system. A lot of folks out there have Windows 11 on their computer, and for 2022, the second half of the year, Microsoft has a new operating system update for Windows 11. What's it entail, and is it important and necessary for 22 users or 11 users to add it?
Yeah, so it's been over a year now that Windows 11's been out there. So if you've gotten a new Windows computer in the last year, you probably came with 11. And this is their first major release after the initial release. What that means is that we've been receiving updates and patches throughout the year. If you're smart and have turned on automatic updates, you know that sometimes when you come to your computer in the morning, it's installed an update overnight and you have to let it finish and those sorts of things. But this is a major update. And it adds a bunch of new security features to Windows and also improves some of the underlying architecture. Initially, it will be released on a rolling basis, so not everybody will have access to it at once. If you have Windows updates turned on, you'll eventually get it. And the big difference between a typical monthly patch that Microsoft releases and this big new update is that after it's installed, when you turn on your computer, it'll take a little longer to go through the process, and you'll see it say, hi, we're making updates. We're, giving you a whole new series of features. Please wait. So it takes an extra probably 15 to 20 minutes after it installs. You can also go into Windows updates under settings, and if it's available, then you can manually install it. But for those people that don't manually install it, it'll probably get installed over the course of the next 3 months or so.
Anything else?
One of the things for people who have disabilities, there's a whole host of new disability features, voice control capabilities that are much better than they've been in the past. So you can actually use voice controls to call up applications like Open Outlook, Open Word, those sorts of things. And the security features in particular are tailored to the current threat landscape out there. So it's definitely an important update to install.
All right, and that's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, online, alvareztg.com, at Alvarez Tweet. Monday, and it's time to talk technology with Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group. Luis, welcome back to the program.
Thank you, Mark. How are you?
Doing pretty good. So we have an interesting story.